Man, it's another series, man, upon the truths of faith and life. Yeah, today anzuba long, yabo. I just wanna drop nje a sample or a truth that has been placed to teach I and I also that which is there. So xa siyapha kuJohn, yeah, sithi John 4 verse 26. Siyafunda pha kuJohn 4 verse 26 bakuthiwa the creator is spirit, and whosoever worship him must worship him in spirit and truth. You see? So today we are not expecting anyone trying to say, no, Tina, creator is only for us, okanye Tina ma what or ma Muslim or ma Buddha or ma Christian or jamana iko about wena lewe, and it's not for wena, it's for everyone else. Leyo way mayibekliye mntana emayithi yabo, so that next time xa sesihamba sizawudiga deep kwezi scrolls siveze nezinye truth ezi-hidden. Akufunekanga sibe sibuya umva, kufuneka sibe sicacisa, nasibeke kwangoku kunje into yobana the creator is spirit, and whosoever worship him must worship him in spirit and in truth, not in church. You see? Who said you must go to church? Who said you must go to church? Know that when you go to church, you go for your own purpose and your own things. Don't try to mingle as if you make it as if it's a cause. Ndiyababona naba behla besenyuka abantu bayavangela ntontoni abantu mabaye church. No. Preach the gospel to the man to build the man himself. Myeke ne-church yakhe, because what we need amasotsha righteousness, people to do good and righteously and do righteously and defend the righteous also against the wicked that animates in the heart of man. You see? Yeah, man. So we know today that the creator is spirit, just as in Genesis it says, and the spirit of the creator, you see, was hovering above the waters. Yabo? Yeah. Bagu Genesis 1. Yabo? In the spirit of the creator. So the creator is the spirit. Yabo? So susibopisa umoya usixelele lona. We don't care. You can go wena kombona kwakho Yesu Allah. You can go wena wombona kwakho Yesu Jesus Christ. But nathi sizawugoa as we find the truth and the root through Haile Selassie. We will follow that path. You see? Yeah, man. Because why? We are chasing the spirit. You see, the spirit is everywhere. Ngokwena ufuna sosichase kule yakho iengile wena usibone kuyo engathi everyone else is wrong. No, if everyone else is wrong sizawubona ngongathethi intwenye, because righteousness is universal. So we give thanks and praise for everything that is good, even for those who seek delight in sin. Give thanks to the Most High. Sila.